So what are you afraid of? Some people won't invest in property because they feel they don't have the money. If you feel you don't have the money, then there's something that you need to learn.
G'day, Damien Patterson here. If you are a serving or ex-ADF member and you want to know about all of your entitlements, of which there is a couple of $100,000 of money that you could be getting that you may not be getting now, and also if you want to learn about how to grow a portfolio of property whilst you're still serving or still doing your current full-time job, whatever that may be. Now, I myself served in the Defence Force full-time for 14 years and was quietly building up a multi-million-dollar portfolio. While I did that, in my last full-time year of service, my portfolio made me over $260,000 on top of my salary.
I highly recommend that before you spend a single cent, you watch my webinar, which you can watch at integritypropertyinvestment.com.au. There are a couple of different webinars on there.
All you have to do is fill out the form below and hit submit, and you're in, and it's all yours. Catch you on the other side. Cheers.